Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. That took me entirely too long to think of. Today, well, actually every single day, my hair is impossible to control. I have like 17 bobby pins in to hold these little annoying ringlet baby hairs. Yeah, there's one. Alright, so today we are going to talk about Ipsy. Yay! It is a makeup subscription. Makeup? It is a makeup subscription. I think it's called the Ipsy Glam Bag, just the baseline. And then you can upgrade to the Glam Bag Plus. But because I'm Canadian, I don't have the option to go to the Glam Bag Plus, so it's just Glam Bag. Okay, so this is my August Glam Bag. It is now September 9th. I just got it today. Alright, I'm getting ahead of myself. If you want to see what I got in my August Ipsy Glam Bag subscription, this is going well. Stick around. If you're into this kind of stuff, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So right off the hop, I love the packaging. I don't know why it gets me when these companies send my orders in colorful packaging. Like that Glamnetic bullshit came in the holographic multi-chrome packaging. This is cute. My concern, I've already opened this. I haven't looked at the products. I wanted to see how it was sealed. So it just super easily opens. So I'm a little bit concerned that things may have got lost along the way, but we'll see. Before I jump into what I got in the Glam Bag, I'm going to tell you my situation as a Canadian. That makes it sound like it's a cultural thing, and that's not at all what I meant. I just meant based on location. The shipping situation that I'm about to go into may be because I live in Canada. I have reason to believe otherwise. I'll get into that in a second. But basically, they shipped this out on August 14th. I wound up contacting them after 14 business days. I still hadn't received it. A friend of mine who regularly orders Ipsy had already received hers the week prior. So I was like, what the fuck? So the final straw for me, before I contacted them, was that September 1st had rolled around and they billed me for my September bag. And I hadn't even received my August bag to see if I liked the products, or I guess liked the subscription as a whole. And then I had also found out that my friend received hers the week prior, so I was like, no, they need to tell me what's happening. So their response, I actually appreciated. It sounded like an actual person took the time to write it. It did not seem like a generic response whatsoever, but I felt like they almost kind of misread my email. They said something about they understand that I can't see the tracking, which isn't what I said, so they sent me the tracking link again. And then they also said once it gets across the border into Canada and it shifts from, DHL to Canada Post, it's out of their hands. Okay. And then their last comment was that they understand I'm considering leaving Ipsy, and they just want me to have all the information before I make that decision. I wasn't saying that I was leaving Ipsy. This is literally my first month. I feel like I got to the party and they're like, you gotta go? Okay, I'll show you the door, I'll show you. I'm like, no, I just got here, I'm just wondering where the punch is. And they're like, no, I get it, you gotta go, it's fine. And I'm like, why do you hate me? I then checked my shipping and realized it had come into Ontario and then been shipped back over to Alberta, which is the other side of the country, if you don't know. So I contacted Canada Post asking what was going on, and they said that it was shipped back to Alberta from Mississauga because there was more room in that facility. I live 1 hour from Mississauga. It showed up today. It has been almost a month since they shipped it out. I'm expecting my September Glam Bag anytime now. But anyways, I'm gonna get into it. I want to see what I got. I am excited. I did add on to the subscription. So the subscription itself, you get 5 deluxe size samples for, it was like $20 Canadian. Then I also got roped into buying some of the add-ons. So $20 shot up to like $75. Yeah. Okay, so we'll go through the Glam Bag itself first, and then I'll do the add-ons. This is the Glam Bag. All of the products in the standard monthly subscription come in this bag. I can see how very quickly I'm going to get sick of having all of these bags being delivered to me. I'm gonna have to start giving them away. I'm gonna start paying for my meals at restaurants in these bags and just, no, you keep it. Oh, I should mention too, The great thing about this Ipsy subscription is that you get to answer all of these questions. It's a pretty lengthy questionnaire, actually, but they ask, your skin tone, your preferences, etc. So they really tailor it to you. That's what I'm most excited for with this subscription. So everything in here should be colors that complement my skin tone, preferences, yada, yada, yada. First thing I pulled out is the Estate Going Nutty Pressed Bronzer. So I'm not going to try anything on my face today, but I'm going to do some swatches. Ooh. I normally laugh at myself for smelling every single product, but this actually smells a little bit like the Butter Bronzer, and Butter Bronzer is the one that I kind of wanted to compare. Oh, okay. The Butter Bronzer is a little bit cooler toned. This looks really like terracotta. What's a Kalamata? I need to see what happens here. Like how I just finished saying I'm not going to put this on my face, and then well, better put it on my face then. Okay, it's hard to tell because I already had bronzer on. I am committing myself to trying this in the next video, that I do a full face of makeup. What's next? The Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. It is a watermelon balm with a natural tint. I love the smell of fake watermelon. I hate real watermelon. That shit's gross. But fake watermelon, oh, I could eat this. As far as I can tell, the smell is awesome, so it's designed to protect, revive, and repair your lips. Thanks, buddy. Oh, an Ofra blush. Okay, so I always have wanted to try Ofra. Honestly, it is a tough life living in Canada and having to pay the shipping on all of these products that you guys in the States don't have to pay. It's a trade-off, I guess. Free healthcare, but we have to pay $5,000 shipping on a $20 product. This looks like a full size to me. Sorry, I was too busy complaining about shipping costs. This doesn't look like a deluxe sample. It looks like a full size, so that's cool. This is the shade Charm. Smells like nothing. I actually think I'm going to enjoy this shade. Ooh. It's pigmented, but it blends out nicely. Why am I trying everything? I literally have to do a full face of all these products. Okay, the last thing that's in this bag, which is only 4 products, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to get 5. Let me check that, hold on. Okay, it's fine. That 5th product was just too big to fit into the Glam Bag. The next product is the Kaleido Cosmetics, another brand I wanted to try, Muse Skin Ultrafine Pearl Illuminator. So this is supposed to add highlight and also blur fine lines and pores. In my experience, whoa. This is the shade they sent me for a highlight. It says to apply it with a fan brush. Seems to be alright. But I look pretty highlighty. The bag is empty. But the last of the products that were coming in the subscription are face masks. We got the Juice Up Pumpkin Mask and the Juice Up Tomato... That sounds horrible. Tomato juice face mask. If I ever get sprayed by a skunk, that'll come in handy. Cool, so they are the sheet face masks. You know, the really creepy ones where it looks like you've skinned a person and put their face on your face. So the rest of the items that I show you are the add-ons that I purchased. So the Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream for All Day Moisture. Enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. It smells nothing like what I expected it to smell. I don't know what I expected it to smell like. There's a pot leaf on there. Maybe that. But now thinking about it, why would you want to rub that all over your body? Oh, hold on. I do smell it a little bit. That's interesting. It's like a summer fruity smell with like the slightest hint of the devil's lettuce. The more I smell this, back when we were in high school, my brother had what he called a spoof, the toilet paper roll with the Febreze sheets stuck in it. So he thought he could smoke pot in his room and just exhale into this and you wouldn't smell the pot. It smells like Febreze working overtime to cover up a 17-year-old smoking pot in his bedroom. Next up, Briogeo Be Gentle Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. It is a hair mask, so this can be used instead of a conditioner a couple times a week, so I will give that a shot. Probably won't film myself going through that routine. Okay, this is the Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen. This is in brown. Is that what the color's called? Nope, it's not. This is in matte mulberry. That is creamy. It looks kind of brown, right? What do you know? You're watching this on a screen. I'm excited for this one. Oh yeah! Forgot I added this. The Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. It is a cream and powder highlight palette. Okay. That's cool. The packaging of this is pretty cool. You know how they always have that plastic sheet in these things? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I've ruined it. I've already ruined the cream part of the highlight. This thing, instead of just being clear plastic, it's this lady's face. That wasn't worth the trouble. The Venice Fling Bailey Sarian Estate palette. I am going to do an entire video on using this. Yep, I am. If you don't know who Bailey Sarian is, she does the Murder Mystery Makeup Monday. Murder Mystery Makeup Monday. I think that's what it is. Murder Mystery Makeup Monday. She collaborated with Estate and came out with an eyeshadow palette, and I don't know how to open it. These pans, they're huge. Do I have a... oh, here. For comparison, this is what a normal eyeshadow pan size is. Wow. Should I swatch a couple? Roller skates. It's not as pigmented as I was expecting. I'm gonna try the one next to it. It's like the burgundy one called Puppy Love. Okay, so that concludes today's episode of Random Crap That Justin Talks About. I hope you found that interesting, or at the very least, I hope it helped you kill some time if that's what you were trying to do. And I hope to see you back at some point. Bye-bye. That was weird. Sorry. Bye.